one jurors brought to the courtroom unless either party believes there's anything I need to address from the state,
No, Your Honor.
from the defense.
Yes.
What would you like to address, Mr. Brooks?
How does me being in the other courtroom constitute presence?
I've made a ruling and I've made my findings. I've referenced the law already. I'm not going to rehash that, sir.
What is the law?
Sir, I'm not going to go through that with you. I'll advise you right now, if you continue to ask those questions, at least on this topic, which I'm telling you I've already addressed, I've made my ruling. If you don't like my ruling, you can file an appeal, all right? And
I'm going to make that record now that I will appeal that decision, Your Honor.
I understand. I expect that.
And frankly, I don't understand how I can participate in a trial from a whole nother courtroom.
That's your choice, sir. Your conduct dictates that. So if you can participate fully when you follow the rules of decorum and courtesy. When you don't do that, you lose and you forfeit that right under the law.
Excuse to go back to my pod. I'm not a child. I don't need to be put in a holding cell until cooler heads prevail, quote unquote. That's not. You're not explaining why that can be lawfully done when I'm supposed to be present for all proceedings. Any proceeding in this matter, I should be.
And I've made a finding, sir, that constitute presence under the law.
And
You may not like it, you may disagree, but I'm not going to stop the trial because of it.
it's not about me liking it. It's about it being fair and it's about it being lawful.
I have an obligation, sir, to ensure that this trial follows simple rules of courtesy and decorum. I have an obligation to not only make sure that there's a fair trial, but that this trial goes forward. I have an obligation to you, I have an obligation to the victims, and that's what I'm going to follow here today. Sir, you can raise all of your issues on appeal. It's not going to stop us. So my question to you is, sir, are you going to...
No, I'm not.
All right, then you will participate. I'm going to start jury selection.
No, I will not.
And so I am going to bring the jurors in. I don't need your consent. I've understood that. All right, Mr. Brooks, I've warned you.
I have to be present for every
Mr. Brooks, you will be present from that other courtroom.
No, I will not be.
That is your choice.
Can you produce a sworn affidavit that says that that's law? Can you show me proof?
All right, would the bailiffs please remove him to the other courtroom?